Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. So first, open the Facebook app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, click on the profile menu, scroll down and click on the help and support. Here, click on the help center in the search bar, search for Facebook dating requirements in your web browser from the search result. Click on who can use Facebook dating, ensure you meet these key requirements: at least 18 years old, a Facebook account in good standing, and at least 30 days old, live in a country where Facebook dating is available. Note, if you delete your dating profile, you can't make a new one for 7 days. List of available countries. Facebook dating is available in many countries. You can find the list in Facebook Help Center. If your country isn't listed, the feature isn't available in your region yet. It may be added in future updates navigating the Facebook app. Now, go back to the Facebook profile menu. If there is a See More option, tap on it to reveal additional shortcuts where the dating option might be hidden. If you still can't find it here, then try unhiding the dating feature. If the dating icon isn't visible, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In this, click on Settings, scroll to the Preferences section, and look for the option Tab Bar and click on it. Tap on Customize the bar. Check if the dating option is set to hidden. If hidden, tap to unhide and pin the dating option to your menu. If it's still not available, then reinstalling the Facebook app. If the dating feature is still not showing, there might be a glitch or bug. Now go to the App Store, search for the Facebook and download for Android users, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Google Play Store, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.